This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
To send Bitcoin, you shall first need to know the Bitcoin address that you are sending to. Once you know the address, go to your wallet page by clicking on your wallet balance in the menu bar. Here in the Send Bitcoin section, enter the Bitcoin address you are sending to in the Receiving Bitcoin address field. Enter the Bitcoin amount you want to send in the amount in the Bitcoin field. Press the Continue button to go to the verification page. Check very carefully that the amount and address is correct, as once you send a Bitcoin transaction, it cannot be reversed or taken back. Enter your password or two-factor authentication code and press the Confirm button to send your Bitcoin transaction. After it is sent, it will take around 1 to 3 hours before receiver gets the Bitcoin. Thank you.